Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a complete language practice test using QuizMaker, the WordPress plugin for building quizzes, exams, and tests. As you can see, you can design a fully functional test that includes reading, listening, writing, and even speaking questions, all in one place. So if you're ready, let's get started on creating your own interactive language test. Okay, so obviously the first thing that you want to do is install the plugin and activate it. And after doing that, we're going to actually go ahead straight into questions and see how we can create them. For that, you would go to questions under quizzes on the left bar here. And as you can see, I already have 4 pre-made questions. And now let's do the last and the 5th one together. So if you do not have any questions created, you're going to click Add New. And over here, you see that this is what your technically dashboard would look like. So you have your question type and everything. And let's say this question is specifically about testing the students' speaking skills. So we're going to add the prompt, which asks them to talk about a certain prompt or whatever it is. And we're going to change the question type that we have many options here, It could be checkbox, drop-down, text, whatever. But for this specific one, we're going to choose upload file so that the students can record themselves talking about it and then upload it later. Here we can limit to specific types. I'm not going to do that. And also we can choose the maximum file size. We can stick with 5 so that, we don't have any complications. And then after doing that, we're going to click Save and close. Fantastic. Now that you have all of the questions ready to go, all we have to do is insert these questions into the quiz. But first, we need to create the quiz itself. So for that, we would go to quizzes over here, and we're going to click Add New. And let's give it a title like Language Practice Test. Let's also insert the description over here. And once it's fully done, all we have to do is insert the questions themselves. So we're going to click Insert Questions. And we're going to select all of the questions that we want to insert. And we're going to click over here. And there you go. This is the order that it comes with. Feel free to change it to your liking. And once you're done with everything, you're going to click Save. Fantastic. After creating your quiz, now it's time to publish it. For that, you could also use the shortcut over here. I'll show you how to do that. But now let's go ahead and click on the page that we want to insert our quiz on. So you have 2 options. You can click on the plus icon over here, choose shortcode, and paste what we just copied before. And for the second option, you can also choose the plus icon over here, choose QuizMaker or type in QuizMaker, and then choose the quiz that you just created. Regardless of what you choose to do, we're gonna get rid of this one and click Save. After doing that, let's see what the final quiz looks like. And there you go. This is what our quiz looks like. So let's click Start. And the first one is a reading comprehension question. So the students read, answer the question. The second one is listening, so they can listen to the audio over here. Many people believe that learning about other cultures, and then they can type in their answers about this question. We're gonna click Next. And this one is a writing task, so students can read and answer the prompt over here. And then click Next. Here is where you match the word or whatever it is to their definition. And here is the speaking one. So basically, here is where the student could possibly stop the test for a moment and then record themselves speaking and click Upload over here. And then they can choose their file and click Open. And then they can click See Results. Now, for somebody who is checking the quiz, this is where their answers would look like. So as you can see, we have come back to our dashboard, and let's click on results over here and click for the details, and then click on detailed report. So over here, if we scroll down, we can see the answers. We can see what they've answered for the other questions that we're just writing. And then we can separately download the file over here, and then we can listen to it. So that is how you create a language practice test using QuizMaker. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you next time.